Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to balance audio volume in all your clips with loudness adjustment in CapCut Mobile. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to balance my audio volume and all the clips that I have imported to CapCut. And first of all, we can click on one of the clip we have imported to CapCut, and I'm going to click on this clip, and then we're going to click on the volume button. Click on this volume button, and here we just need to click on loudness adjustment. Okay, and now all the clips are at the same loudness or the same volume, and I'm going to check it one by one. And alright guys, that's how we can balance audio volume in all our clips with loudness adjustment in a CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.